I just want to start off by saying happy Women's Month. Alright y'all, so we are back today with another UNiceHair video, and I already have the wig on my head because we're going to get straight into it. This is going to be a simple unit, guys. This is the 7x5 Byebyeknots wig, and obviously you see it got the little front bang. Very, very trendy right now, guys. Y'all know I love a look like this, so I'm going to go ahead and do a quick style. This did come in a body wave texture, so it's already pre-curled, so it makes life super easy. So if you're looking for a same day install, then this is the video. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and layer this front piece off. And the reason I'm going to do that is because I want everything to kind of like go bang style and layered. They did go ahead and add a little bit of a layer already to this front area right here, but I'm going to go ahead and just make it a little bit more, you know, angled. But UNiceHair already started. They did their angle right here. But I'm just going to take it in a little bit shorter right here just to make sure that everything really is layered the way I want it to be layered. So I'm going to cut that short like that, and they're going to do the same thing on this side as well. I just kind of angle it the same way I see it on the other side. Most of them are not going to come out super perfect, but we're going to get it close enough. So there, look at that. Cut this end off here, and you can see already, look at that, a nice kind of layered look. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this off. And these are our front bangs. Now, when the front bangs are a little bit long, I don't tell people to cut them off right away. I tell people to kind of slide the wig back a little bit, but because they are a little bit long, I'm just gonna go ahead and snip them ever so slightly. So I'm gonna snip it about right here. Okay, so I feel like that area, that space is perfect. Look at that. And then we're gonna go ahead and just measure out here to see how far this bang area is. So what I'm gonna do now is cut this part right here a little bit shorter because I want it really to come off like it's like layered. So we're gonna grab the bang part, and then we're gonna glide our scissors downwards to make it a little bit more even. Okay, so we got that part down. And then again, we're gonna do the same thing here. Again, I'm not a professional at this. I've just done this for a while, so you know, your girl kind of learn along the way. So we're gonna go ahead and angle that down like that to give us a little bang situation. So, okay, so now we're working with something. So what I'm gonna do is pull this here to the front, and we're gonna go ahead and finger comb the hair. Again, this already came pre-styled, so I'm not really doing that much with this. Oh, I really like it, look at that. So I'm just gonna fan this out with my hand, just to make sure that everything is nice and soft and the curls are perfect. So what we're gonna do now is get our curling iron, and we're gonna go ahead and work on blending the top area in because we want all the curls to fold in nicely. I'm just gonna go ahead and clip this bang up like this, and then we're gonna start curling here. Now obviously I'm gonna hit the lace right here a little bit of powder, but as you guys can see, the unit already comes pre-cut, so I don't have to do anything. If you don't want to put any powder or anything, you don't have to because it's going to be covered, but I will add some powder for the purpose of the video. But let me say, if you're in a rush and you ain't got time, you ain't need no powder, okay? You really don't need it. So I'm going to go ahead and clip this up right here, and then we're going to start curling this section. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl this backwards, and I'm gonna start at the base right here because I want this part to be fluffy. I do have hairspray, and I also have some dry shampoo if I need the dry shampoo, and I use a dry shampoo simply just to puff it out a little bit, make it a little bit more full and, you know, sexy. So we're gonna curl that, and again, it already came pre-curled, so you're gonna have a lot of volume, y'all. That's why I love a straight out of the box body wave wig from UNiceHair Company. Their body wave texture is absolutely elite. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some top portion curls as well too, because I want it just to have more volume towards the top. We want this to give like a fun buff effect. Again, very simple unit, guys. It's already pre-styled, honey, so we're really not gonna be doing that much with this one. I'm gonna do a couple curls back here just to kind of, you know, mix the curl pattern up a little in the back. Shout out to UNiceHair Company for sponsoring today's video. Most of you guys know I've been a hair influencer for over 10 years, and you guys know that I started doing this mainly because I needed to save some money and do my hair by myself, but also because my biggest insecurity was my big forehead. But over the years, I've adjusted, and I've showed you guys how much I am in love with doing hair. All right, guys, so I'm just adding a few curls to the back of her just to make sure, again, just to give a little bit of difference of curl shape in the back. And I'm using my good old spritz, y'all. Use spritz. Spritz works excellent. It has a good hold on curls. I absolutely love it. So I've pretty much finished curling what I need to. So I'm gonna bring this down just for a second because I wanna kind of like see the top area off a little bit. Now again, I like to go ahead and curl from the top area right here because this area up here is gonna give you a lot of that extra sexy volume. So I always recommend you guys give a nice curl right here at the top, just so that it gives like this nice voluminous look. Voluminous, how do you, yeah, I always mess that up anyways, you know what I mean. Yeah. Okay. I actually like these bangs. These bangs are very poofy, sexy, cutesy, demurey. During this month, which is Women's Month, I want you guys to go ahead and embrace whatever style, whatever look you guys like. You guys know that I love every style of wig, any type of color, any type of curl, any type of pattern, and I'm always going to rock it flawlessly, effortlessly, without a care in the world. So I want you guys to take this month out to embrace your look, your style, or whatever it is that you desire. Shout out to UNiceHair again for sponsoring today's video, guys. Go ahead and check out the links down below and a coupon code if you're interested in purchasing this unit from UNiceHair Company. I just want to start off by saying Happy Women's Month to begin with, y'all. Straight out the box, beautiful, guys. Y'all saw, very simple. This is like one of those types of hairstyles like you literally could take it out the box and put it on. Now, I didn't do anything as far as finagling this unit as putting a hot comb to it. The only thing I did was use the curling iron, and that's it. Obviously, you guys saw me cut a little bit of a layer to it. If you don't know how to cut layer and didn't really follow me that well, I'm not professional. The unit already comes with a little bit of a layered effect to it already, so you don't have to. But y'all know I like to divvy it up a little bit. I like to do a little something extra. But baby, this unit is absolutely stunning. The density on this unit is gorgeous as well too. You guys know I love a body wave texture, and this body wave texture is definitely eating it up, guys. Very, very nice. I absolutely love this unit, guys. I love the density of the bangs. I feel like the bangs are the perfect density. They're not too thin and they're not too full. And as you guys can see, it has a nice wave bounce and luster to the unit. I didn't put any product as far as like an oil base to it. The only thing I used for this video today, guys, was my curling iron and my spritz hairspray, and that's that. As you guys can see, it's very, very pretty. I love the fact that it did come pre-curled, so all I did was just amplify the curls a little bit. When you have pre-packaged curls like this, one of my recommendations would be to comb it out and then also hairspray it, just to kind of make sure that everything still stays in place. So you guys can see the curls look very, very nice. You guys can see the layer job that I did. Obviously, you know, the hair was already cut, but I just added like a little bit more layer. And the reason why I did that is so that when I do go ahead and style this, like clip it up, you guys will see that there's a little bit of like a layered look. So let me go ahead and show you guys what this unit looks like clipped up in a cute little hairstyle. Again, this is a trendy look, guys. Very, very pretty. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this one has the best density variation. I feel like the back is a nice density. You guys know I always do it like a nice 24-inch, beautiful 24-inch. And I love the fact that it's full hair, but it's not bulky hair, if you kind of get what I mean. So let me go ahead and clip this up to show you guys what it looks like, you know, in a clip situation. All right, y'all, as you guys can see, I kind of went for the little messy kind of 90s inspired look. Now with the 7x5, it is not a problem, guys, styling this one. Very simple. The way that they lay the tracks on this cap is very seamless, so everything goes this way. So the lace stops right about here, guys, and you don't have any issue of this being, you know, visible. Obviously the bangs and everything lays down pretty well, and as you guys can see, very simple and cute. This is 24 inches, so I kind of have to cuff it up a little bit just to make sure that everything fit. But other than that, this is absolutely a stunning unit, guys. Very, very pretty. I love a unit like this. And again, I am like in awe about the bangs. The bangs is the perfect density, y'all. It gives fluff. It gives that sexy kitty look or whatever you want to call it. Very, very nice, guys. And again, this is a low effort unit, so you don't have to do too much work to it. Very simple and straight to the point, y'all. So let me know what you guys think about this one. Shout out to UNiceHair Company for sponsoring today's video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. I'll leave all the links down below in coupon code, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Happy Women's Month, and I will catch you guys in the later one.